Welcome to the Softhealer technology. In this video, we will see how Webhook works. So, here you can see generate token and click on this button. And here, this is your URL. Now, copy this URL and go to the Klaviyo site. And here, setup for Webhook. Now, go to the flows. And create flow from here. So I have already created. So go to this flow and here you can see this data. Select data from and add webhook here. And in this webhook, add destination URL here. Now I have already one email. So now unsubscribe this email. And now you can see here contact is unsubscribed from email.